Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is lecture number 4 we are conducting today. We already had two lectures. One was on the observation, second was about the change, third was also about the extension of change. And today we are going to discuss a very special subject, and it is very, very important in life. It is subject of control. What is control?
So
Why we need to study it? What is
control is
important about? Yes, please say.
sir,
Come on, say.
control is power over a specific machine or someone, such as sir, if you're in the army, the higher rank you are, the more control you have. जैसे कि a general can order a soldier and a lieutenant can order a general. The
Very
control
nice,
is
very nice explanation. So we will be discussing about control. My name is Naveed Zafar, as you know. We have discussed two topics in the last three lectures. One was observation, second was the change, and today we are going to study about the control. As I mentioned earlier in the earlier lectures also, everything is linked. Observation is linked with change is linked with control, and we should be controlling things as per our needs. Whatever is our need, we must know that, and if our observations suggest that we must make a change, so we must change a change and we must be in control to make that change. So all these three things are relevant, related, and we must understand. तो अभी तक हमने ऑब्जर्वेशन की बात कर ली थी, चेंज की बात कर ली थी. चेंज हमने देखी थी कि नेचुरल चेंज भी होती है और मैन मेड चेंज भी होती है. Like we studied that on a plain ground, if we want, if we need, we can make a road. तो चेंज हम खुद भी कर सकते हैं, नेचुरल तौर पे भी होती है. Now, what kind of change is needed? That depends upon our observation. और हमने ये भी देखा था कि जो किसी और ने ऑब्जर्वेशन की हो, वो बुक की फॉर्म में, नॉलेज की फॉर्म में, इट इज ऑलवेज अवेलेबल. लाइक वी स्टडीड दैट टू मेक द रोड, we need what kind of material and how to mix it and how to use it. So today, a very important topic, although you all are familiar with this topic, but we have to go and see it from a different angle. So we must know what is control, and we must know what are our needs. So next diagram, if you see in the next diagram, we observe that in a room there is very high temperature. It is very hot. We decide that we must change the temperature. We go for a remote control and we put on the air conditioner. And the air conditioner is set if on the 23-degree, so we will attain that temperature. If we observe that it is still hot, we can change the setting. We can bring down to 20, let's say, and we can again set through the control. So control helps us to change as per our requirement. Observation provides us with the observation, and we make use of our control to make that necessary changes. So this way, observation, change, and control are related. Okay?
yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
If we observe that a young boy who is not happy, and how does we come to know? From the expressions, from the face expression, we find that the child or the kid is not happy. So we want to change his mood. So what we do, we take a chocolate And with the help of a chocolate, we can change the mood of the small kid. So change can be in anything, and control you can use anything as long as you can change according to your requirement. So as per our requirement, it is not important what you are changing. It is not important what is the observation. It is again not important what you are using. The only constant factor is that you must understand that you need to change something. You must have a good idea what is to be changed, and you must be familiar what are the mechanisms, how people have been changing in the past, what device, what tools, what method they have been using to bring about the change which they wanted to occur. So again, you will find a relationship between observation, change, and control. So today we are more focused on the subject of control. So observation can be anything. Some of the observations are written in the textbooks, in the academics book, in different subjects. Like if you want to bring a physical change, it will be written in the book of physics, that how things are related, what are those things which need to be changed. By the way, the things we need to be changed, they are called parameters. Like temperature is a parameter that you have to change the temperature. You may change the, yes please? Okay. As long as we understand the relation between observation, change and control, then we are good to move to the next slide. If you see that we control the traffic with the help of traffic lights in the center, and we know what is to be changed, that the traffic which is moving, we want to change, we want them to halt. On the other side, we want that the traffic which was on the halt, they should start moving. So what you are doing, that you are controlling the traffic, and you see the person who is driving the car, he is looking at the lights, he understands that when this light is on, that means we need to take a stop or we need to move. You are getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Then you must have observed that we have gates in the building, because when we observe that nobody should come in our home without our permission, so we can control the traffic. We can put a camera also. The gate can shut down automatically when some unwanted person is there or some known person is there, so control can get open and a person can move in. So with the help of control, you can exercise your will. जो आप करना चाहते हैं वो आप कर लेते हैं. अभी जैसे water tap on the right, it has a control. When you want that water should not come out, you close the tap. When you want that it should open, this is your wish. When you want it to open and when you want to close. When you need, you observe that you need water, there is a need, you can open it and you can shut down. So control is a useful thing to exercise your will according to your need. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
So control is not limited to a particular field. It is very open. You can exercise control on anything. And if you can control, you become very powerful because people listen to you. You, whatever you want, you can get it done. Because if you have the remote control in your hand, you have many things which you can do, many parameters you can change. You can increase the volume, you can change the channel, you can switch off the TV. So if you have the control, you are the powerful person. So whosoever has the control, he becomes very powerful. So this is the reason that people like to have control. So with the control, you also have the responsibility. And I will be talking about the responsibility also. But you must have the responsibility because you have the control. Because if you have the traffic control and if you are not exercising the control effectively, there will be traffic accidents. Because if you can't stop one side and you make other side move also, there will be an accident. So whenever you have a control, you must with responsibility. Because you have the control. You must know what is control. If you with brakes, with indicators, so wherever he wants to go, he has to make use of his muscle force. But of course, muscle force is also one way of communication. That you tell the car what to do. As car is not intelligent like humans, so you communicate by the mean of force, your muscular force. You apply brake once you want to halt the car. You make use of the steering once you want to steer the car. You want to move to another direction. And similarly, there are other controls also, like accelerator. If you want to accelerate, you want to move with a faster speed, you will accelerate. So control, imagine that a person is driving a car and he has no controls. So neither he will be make mechanism you like with the television, with other devices also. And this is the way reason that why communication has become very important. If you can communicate, you can which I am trying to repeat
There might be an internet problem.
Makes sense.
Probably because his voice is
Hello,
starting to get out.
are you getting me?
Hello, sir.
आपको आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
ओके, अवैश साहब,
Yes, sir.
अवैश गुल साहब,
जी सर
आपको ऑन करना पड़ेगा। ये कोई यहाँ पे वाईफाई का इशू है मुझे दूसरे साइड पे।
मैं ऑन करता हूँ लेकिन नेट इधर भी थोड़ा सा कमजोर ही है।
अच्छा, आपको पिक्चर आ रही है मेरी?
वो क्लास नहीं है ना, वो स्कूल वाले हैं, वो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे
जी
हैं।
सर आ रही है।
वो पिक्चर भी आ रही है आपको?
सर आपकी पिक्चर आ रही है।
शेयरिंग
No,
जी
no,
स्लाइड्स आ रही हैं आपको
no,
विजिबल
no, sir.
See the slide.
ओके ऐसा अब आपको करना पड़ेगा ये
सर मैं वो कर रहा हूँ.
No.
okay in the meantime we can discuss that we have just discussed that if you have the control you become very powerful
सर ये
because
वाली slide,
if a person has a car जी
कार वाली
ये
slide,
कंट्रोल फोर्स वाली नहीं हाँ कार से पहले वाली जो है
ये वाली सर.
हाँ यही वाली लगा दीजिए
ठीक सर.
इसको चला दी
सर चल गई.
इसको इलाज कर देना वो ताकि आगे जा सके
अच्छा ठीक है सर.
हेलो
जी सर कर दिए सर. बड़ी होगी है आपको.
अच्छा ठीक है हाँ जी आ रही है बस ठीक है अच्छा इससे नेक्स्ट कर दीजिए just see that if you have the control and you are controlling things so you are very effective you can go places you can go miles you can turn direction and you become suddenly more powerful so you must know how to exercise control so control if you are driving a car you have to adhere to the standards requirements of the government how to use the road system बेटा आपको आवाज आ रही है आप लोगों को
Yes.
जी
Ji,
सर.
sir.
okay so that means that control doesn't mean that you become uncontrollable you have to exercise control on yourself also so you can get maximum benefits and you should get the benefits very safely. So you are responsible that with this control, you should not damage others. You should not damage others' property. You have to follow the rules. Although you have the control, you are powerful, but power brings responsibility on you that you should not become
Sir,
irresponsible. Okay? Yes.
sir, with great responsibility.
Yes, that is the very nice saying. Very nice saying. So you must be very responsible once you have the power through control. Next, please. अवैस kindly next कीजिए.
जी सर होगी है.
नहीं अभी नहीं आ रही मेरे पास.
कंट्रोल फोर्स और कम्युनिकेशन वाली है ना सर.
इससे आगे कीजिए.
ये
ये पूरी नहीं है कंप्लीट नहीं आ रही है.
जी सर ये एक आ रही है.
आगे करें जरा. Okay. Should we be controlling the people also? If you have the power, should we control the people?
No. Sir, you should
It's
wait.
both ways.
Sir, you should, but in the right way.
You should be controlling once required. They want to
Yes.
attack you and
Yes,
they
sir.
want to damage. At times you need, they may themselves, they may damage the property, they may damage those people who are not even involved. It is the state responsibility awareness.
सर आवाज आ रही है आपको? हेलो।
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I can't see the picture in fact.
जी सर, इंटरनेट का इशू तो अभी नजर आ रही है?
नहीं मुझे नहीं आ
मैंने शेयर स्क्रीन की है सर।
रही अभी have if we know how to use our controls we can change the mood of our family. You have identified, I will just repeat for you, the love, the smile, your good behavior and your good performance. Can you change the mood of your family?
Yes.
Do you know how to do it? Do you exercise this control?
Yes.
Do you exercise this control?
Sorry? Do you what, sir?
Do you follow this strategy? Do you use these remotes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you don't, you must learn. That is the important, that if you perform well, your conduct and your behavior is good, so you will be able to do and find good things. You will be able to control the mood of the family. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can change the mood of the family with love to the family by smiling all the time, by showing good behavior, and by performing very well in any activity. Okay? Next, please.
Okay, sir.
जी बेटा पूछिए. Now, next is, we will come back to this if you have a question. Now, this is a baby cot, baby bed, and parents wanted him to protect. So what they did, that they put a control, physical control. The baby cannot come out. So to make sure that mosquitoes doesn't go inside, they have put a mosquito net. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who has exercised the control? Parents or the baby?
Parents.
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 Now, apparently, the movement of the boy or the kid is restricted. He cannot move around as others can. But it is for the good of the kid, or it is a punishment, or it is a protection.
Protection.
It's a protection and good, sir.
So this indicates that we have to follow certain controls which is imposed by the government, which is imposed by the parents, which is imposed by the school. So we remain protected and we don't fall sick. We become a better citizen. So you may find it is very difficult to follow, but it is for the good of the kids, for the citizens. So they have to follow strict control. Like nowadays, we wear mask. Is it good or bad?
Good.
It's good for us.
Good.
Yes, we have been told that we have to wear mask. We have been controlled, our movements have been controlled. We have been told that you should maintain the social distance. You don't mix up because you will fall sick. So if this control has been exercised, like the lockdown, so that means that somebody wants us to remain protected. So we must follow it. Okay? It may be difficult for us to follow, but it is for good. So anybody who exercise good control on us, that is for our good, for our betterment. Okay? We can
Yes,
move to the
sir.
next slide. Next slide, please. When we are small, toddlers, little, we don't know what control we should exercise. We even don't know when to go to the toilet. We have no control on ourselves. So parents exercise their control. They tell you do this, do this. But once you become big as you are nowadays, so you have to be responsible. You have to learn how to control, and first of all, you have to learn how to control own self. We must learn to control ourselves. You getting this point?
Yes, sir. Like
And
we
for
should let
Yes, sir.
anger take over
yes,
us.
yes, yes, yes. So we have to act responsibly. So that is the reason that we say that all citizens should be very responsible, because nobody else should be telling them what to do. We should ourselves know what we should be doing. Okay? So what kind of control we have? Can you mention?
So physical control,
What else?
Mental
mental
control.
control,
Okay.
Emotional
self-control, self-control.
Self-control. Okay. What else?
Emotional control.
What does that mean? Emotional control.
I think it all comes under mental control.
Like you should not get angry. You should not start shouting. You should conduct well. Okay. You should not feel bad if somebody tells you a good thing. Somebody tells you that don't play games at this time, that doesn't mean that you should get angry, because he wants to exercise control, because you have failed to exercise control. The time was for studying and you were wasting on games. So somebody has taken control on you. So, but if you are responsible, you should be taking your control. Okay? Okay, let's see the next slide. Next slide.
Self-control.
Self-control is the best control. Do you agree? Do you agree that self-control is the best control?
Yes, sir.
What does
Yes,
that
sir.
mean? What does that mean? Can anybody
Control
elaborate?
over our body. Control over
Yes.
our body. It's
What
control
else?
over our body.
Do you know that our religion, they tell us how to attain self-control? How do you attain control on our body? You know Islam, you know what it teaches us, but my question is how we can learn self-control from Islam, the body control. First question.
From the Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi
Sallallahu
Wasallam.
Alaihi Wasallam. Yes. He told us, but what did he tell us?
To be merciful.
Abhi, when you offer prayers, you have to get up early in the morning. You have to offer prayers. We have been told कि आपने वुजू करना है. So what we are doing, that we are trying to tame our body. That body should perform according to the requirement of Allah. So we try to get control over the body. जब हम रोजे रखते हैं तो क्या करते हैं हम?
We don't eat and we have control over our body.
हमारी जो इनटेक है फूड के ऊपर कि व्हेन वी हैव टू टेक वाटर, वन वी हैव टू टेक फूड. Yes, so we are given a practice that you have a control over your body. You have control through prayers and this roza. So usse we become powerful. We can do exactly the same what we have been told to do. जैसे ट्रैफिक में हमें बताया होता है कि आपने ट्रैफिक ऐसे करनी है फॉलो, इस लेन में अगर चेंज करनी है तो ऐसे करना है, टर्न करना है तो ऐसे करना है, कितनी स्पीड मेंटेन करनी है. इसी तरीके से जिसने यूनिवर्स बनाई अल्लाह ताला ने, उन्होंने अपने रसूल पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के जरिए हमें कम्युनिकेट किया, कम्युनिकेशन हुई that you have to exercise your control on yourself. So nobody should be able to take your control. You can take your own control. आपको समझ आ रही है बात बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So self control, whosoever has the self control, इसको ना अरेबिक में और आम जुबान में जब आप पढ़ेंगे इसे जब्त कहते हैं, नफ्स, जब्ते नफ्स, कि you have a control on yourself. Next please, next slide. Okay, what is self? We have to understand, we have mentioned that we must take control, self-control. What is self? Do
Ourselves.
Our body.
you understand what is
Our
self?
body, our thought,
It is your body. Your, who is yours? आपकी बॉडी है ना, आपकी, आपके पास इंटेलेक्ट है, आपकी इंटेलिजेंस है, आपकी इमोशंस हैं, बट आप कौन है? आप
Humans.
yes, you understand intellect and emotions, they are different things, and you have to control yourself. These are yourself, your body, your intellect, your intelligence, and you have to take control of yourself. We will be discussing it little later, not today, but you, for the time being, you can understand that they are different and your responsibility is to control them. So they should function, your body, your mind, your emotions, as you dictate them, as you tell them. ठीक हो गया? And control हमने बताया कि you tell your need and they should perform according to your need. Next please. Now I had mentioned that you are different than from others. Every person is a different person. We mentioned in the first lecture. You remember? That we are different.
Yes,
We are
sir.
same. We are same also, but in certain respect we are different. Now, how are you different? How one
Sir,
person is
some
personality-wise,
sir, what
yes,
what we
hair,
prefer,
the way we look,
what we
our
prefer.
Our thoughts.
okay. Keep saying.
Sir, what we look like.
Our opinions.
Yes. What else?
Our
Just
choices.
that different name. You all have different families. You have different gender. You have different thoughts. You have different personalities. You are in different grades. So you are very, very important because you may be like others, but you are different at the same time. You are very important. And every person is very, very important. And when we get together, we become a community. We become a society. We become a nation. We become from the one religion, like we become a millet. So every person is very, very important. And if imagine that everybody has able to exercise his power, so collectively we can have lot of power. We can do as a nation, we can develop as a nation, and we can have those things which are justified and we can acquire that. We can make those things. So individual is very important. Nation is individuals. Is it so? Yes. Okay. Let's see what Allama Iqbal said on this. Next, please. Can anybody read?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, somebody should read. Yes, yes, please do read.
अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर, हर फर्द है मिल्लत के मुकद्दर का सितारा तारा। अल्लामा इकबाल।
So can anybody explain what does it mean?
It means कि जो people है, community है, उनके हाथों में है कौम, उनके हाथों में है जो country की whereabouts और
Yes. Okay. जो मैंने लास्ट स्लाइड दिखाई थी ना जिसमें मैंने इंडिविजुअल का बताया था, आई मेड दैट स्लाइड बेस्ड ऑन दिस, ये जो वर्स है अल्लामा इकबाल की। उन्होंने कहा कि जो अफराद है ना, एवरी इंडिविजुअल, वो पूरी मिल्लत का डिसाइड करता है कि मिल्लत या कौम या कम्युनिटी विच वे इट विल गो, वो कैसे प्रोग्रेस करेगी, कैसे डेवलप करेगी। बिकॉज एवरी पर्सन इज अ स्टार इन दिस गैलेक्सी। आप समझ रहे हैं बात को? सो व्हाट आई डिड दैट आई ट्रांसलेटेड दिस verse of Allama Iqbal into a picture. I just combined it with that. So you should also be doing it. If you understand some, एक अगर आपको शेर समझ आता है तो आप उसे ड्राइंग करें, उसे रिलेट करें किसी अवेलेबल ड्राइंग से। सो ये दी सेम मैसेज कैन बी शोन, डिस्कस्ड इन अ डिफरेंट वे, कि आपने ना हर जो बंदे की इंपॉर्टेंस को हाईलाइट किया गया। ठीक है ना? नेक्स्ट प्लीज। नाउ इस शेर में अल्लामा इकबाल ये कहते हैं कि सूरत शमशीर है दस्ते कज़ा में वो कौम करती है जो हर ज़मा अपने अमल का हिसाब, करती है जो हर ज़मा अपने अमल का हिसाब। इसका मतलब है कि जो सेल्फ को ऑब्जर्व करता है ना और उसमें खामियां तलाश कर लेता है। मतलब आपको मैंने कहा था ना कि ऑब्जर्वेंट होना है। एक ये कि कोई हमें बताए कि आप में क्या गलती है, एक है कि यू एनालाइज योर सेल्फ, अपने आप को ऑब्जर्व करें कि इफ वी आर नॉट एबल टू डू समथिंग गुड, व्हाट इज द रीजन। तो आप अपना हिसाब किताब खुद करते हैं। यू जस्ट वांट टू नो, इंस्टेड अदर्स टेलिंग अस कि व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद मी। कोई फैमिली में से बताए, कोई सोसाइटी में से बताए। एज अ पर्सन दिस इज माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, एज अ नेशन दिस इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, कि हम अपने आप का ऑब्जर्व करते रहें और जो जो चेंज हमें रिक्वायर्ड है वो हम करते रहें। ठीक है? आर यू गेटिंग इट? ये थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, अल्फाज मुश्किल है, लेकिन मीनिंग यही है जो मैंने आपको बताया। नेक्स्ट प्लीज। देयर वॉज अनदर पोएट, मौलाना जफर अली खान। उन्होंने एक कुरान करीम की एक आयत है, उसका तर्जुमा किया शेर में कि खुदा ने आज तक उस कौम की हालत नहीं बदली, ना हो जिसको ख्याल आप अपनी हालत के बदलने का। इसका मतलब है कि जो खुद अपनी करेक्शन नहीं कर सकते, वो अल्लाह ताला भी उनकी मदद नहीं करता। तो हमें एज अ नेशन वी मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट आर वीकनेसेस और हमने कौन कौन सी चीज़ों को ठीक करना है। कलेक्टिवली हम कोशिश करेंगे, एफर्ट करेंगे, तो इंशाल्लाह हम वो चीज़ों को ठीक कर लेंगे और एक दूसरे की मदद करेंगे। वी विल हेल्प ईच अदर हाउ टू इम्प्रूव थिंग्स। सो दिस वाज ऑल एज फार एज आई वाज कंसर्न। आज का लेक्चर यही था। आपके अगर कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो यू कैन आस्क।
No, sir. कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है. No questions, sir. Very fun lecture.
No questions, sir.
No questions, sir.
ओके, आपको कोई अल्लामा इकबाल का कोई एक एक शेर आपने सुनाना, सब ने जस्ट वन, एनी, कोई एक शेर, कोई भी।
लपे आती.
जी बिल्कुल सुनाइए।
क्या मैं सुना दूं?
जी बेटा सुनाइए।
परिंदों की दुनिया का दरवेश हूँ मैं कि शाहीन बनाता नहीं आशियाना।
वेरी नाइस, एक्सीलेंट।
इसका
एनी
मतलब
अदर? हाँ, मतलब ये बताइए।
मतलब ये है कि जो दरवेश होता है वो चलता रहता है, कहाँ रुक नहीं जाता अपना घर बना के। और जो शाही होता है, जो ईगल होता है, वो भी नहीं रुकता, वो हर
वेरी
जगह
नाइस।
घर कभी भी नहीं बनाता।
एनी अदर क्वेश्चन कोई बताना चाहे तो? एनी अदर शेयर कोई, या कोई और बात, कोई अच्छा कोट कोई?
Sir,
एनीबॉडी
can I
वांट्स टू
tell
शेयर अ
one?
कोट? यस प्लीज,
Sir, can
प्लीज।
I?
यस प्लीज।
दिल से जो बात निकलती है असर रखती है, पर नहीं ताकत पर वाज मगर रखती है।
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस, एक्सीलेंट। एनी अदर वन? कोई कोट आप बताना चाहें, किसी की कोई अच्छी बात शेयर करना चाहें? आप खुद से कोई बात करना चाहें? इफ यू थिंक समथिंग एंड यू थिंक दैट वी आई शुड शेयर इट, यू मस्ट शेयर। और ये हमारा भी जो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर होंगे उसमें भी आपने कोई चीज अगर आप, इफ यू फील यू हैव रिटन अ कोट योरसेल्फ, you must share. If you have written a poem, you must share. You must create something which you should be sharing, and we will appreciate that. We all will. If there are no questions, then I will just share with you in the coming days. It was a general understanding that we must be observant. We must have a will to change. We should have a control on ourselves so we can change things. ये हमने 2-3 पिछले 4 लेक्चर्स में ये बात हमने समझी है। अभी हमने ये जो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर होंगे, वी विल टॉक ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स कि हाउ शुड वी स्टडी, व्हाट वी शुड बी स्टडिंग। स्कूल में आपको क्या पढ़ाया जाता है और आपने क्या पढ़ना है, एंड यू हैव टू नाउ डेवलप योरसेल्फ so we can make and create that machine which we have promised, and that will be done once you are competent, you have control on your thinking. फिर हम शुरू करेंगे how to make that machine. Okay,
Yes,
if there are no more questions, then we just wind this day, and Allah Hafiz
sir.
until yes, if you want, I am available. We have 10 minutes.
सर कह रहे थे कि हम कुछ भी बना कर बता सकते हैं, कोई नज़म या कुछ, तो ये शेर भी हो सकता है जो हमने
शेर भी हो सकता है, बल्कि आपको बनाने चाहिए और आपको ये भी बताना चाहिए कि किस से इंस्पायर होके, व्हाट मेड यू राइट दैट शेर, आपने क्यों लिखा है, ये पोइम क्यों लिखी है। if you can make some drawing, you can share with us your drawings also. Anything creative you do, you must share with us. We can keep one day for you. Whatever you want to create, whatever you want to share, you can group together as a friend. 2 people making one good poem, one good picture, one good story, one good drama, anything you want to create, we will keep one day for you. Or one day I will ask you. Yes sir.
अगर आपकी इजाजत हो तो एक बात मैं भी बच्चों से कर लूं।
प्लीज सर, प्लीज।
अच्छा, मेरे प्यारे बच्चे जरा एक बात पे ध्यान दें। कर्नल साहब जो आपको एक बड़ी ओपन ऑफर दे रहे हैं, हम वी विल हैव अ कंपटीशन। हम एक छोटा सा ना एक वैसे इखलाकी सतह पे और छोटा सा एक इंसेंटिव बेस्ड एक मुकाबला ये रखते हैं कि जितना आपने सुना है तीनों प्रेजेंटेशन चारों, इनको आप यूं कीजिए कि अपने अपने तौर पे कुरान और हदीस से और कलाम इकबाल से लिंक कीजिए। जो जो इसको लिंक कर सकते हैं, एक एक स्लाइड को करना चाहें, थीम को करना चाहें, आप पूरी पूरी प्रेजेंटेशन को करना चाहें, वो कीजिए। और एक दिन जो जो लोग कहेंगे कि वो इसको प्रेजेंट करना चाहते हैं तो हम उनको टाइम देंगे। और बच्चों ग्रुप में भी ये कर सकते हैं आप, दिस कैन बी अ ग्रुप स्टडी। बच्चे सारी बात को अपनी तफहीम के साथ, अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ क्या अंडरस्टैंड किया और ये सारी बात उनको किताब इलाही से कैसे लिंक होती है हदीस पाक से और उसवा हसना से कैसे लिंक होती है, और ईमुल-उम्मा हजरत इनामा इकबाल के कलाम से कैसे लिंक होती है, और उनके अपने रोल मॉडल पेरेंट्स उनको क्या गाइड करते हैं, उनके रोल मॉडल टीचर्स उनको कैसे गाइड करते हैं. सो मेक अ स्मॉल प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ लेट्स से 10-15 मिनट्स ईच एज अ ग्रुप. तो अब आप यू विल बी आवर टीचर्स इंशाल्लाह. आई
And we
होप
will be
यू
a
हैव
listener.
अंडरस्टूड. जी.
These lectures are available on these WhatsApp also. You can re-listen to them whenever you want. The slides are also available. You can make your own slides.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's have a good competition. And let's learn from you. I will be your student, you will be my teacher.
So,
Okay,
what
we
is the
all will be there.
competition about?
This is your choice. We will prefer that you make, let's say, on observation, you write your own article, you make your own presentation. You can talk about the change, you can talk of the Quranic Kareem, anything, they're of your choice. But you should feel it is good for others. They should listen to you. You can make use of my presentation, you can make use of Quranic Kareem, you can use of Allama Iqbal poetry, you can use net, you can ask your teacher, you can ask your parents. You are at liberty, you can do anything.
So,
Because
partners
you are very
really
important to us. Ji?
Is a partner necessary?
Not necessary. If you want to work alone, you can work alone.
And sir, when will this competition take place?
You will tell me in the next, whenever you are ready, you will let us know. On the next time, inshallah, we will arrange you. Like you, if you today that I am ready, so tomorrow we will arrange your presentation.
Sir, can there be 3 people making one?
Yes, this is your choice. You are at free, whatever you want to do. You can include your elder also. You can ask your teacher to help you. You can ask your parents to help you. And we will put that on net also, on YouTube also, your presentation.
Okay, sir.
We will make a channel also for you people. And you should carry your name that this is made by you on this date. So let's make very beautiful presentations. So people should view all around the world. You can make in Urdu, you can make in English, any language. If you like, there may not be any language. Silent presentation. This is up to you, what you would like to make. But it should be good. You should be happy, and we should also be happy to see your work. Everybody should be happy. Okay, we can wind out now.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Allah Hafiz to everyone.
Allah
See you
Hafiz.
tomorrow, inshallah.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah.
Love, sir.